Hi friends, thank you so much for coming back to craft with me today, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Alyssa. I'm doing a voiceover today for this one-page wonder because my house is full of hustle and bustle and it's a bit loud. So I'm going to be using the Mittens and Mistletoe paper pad here, which I purchased for $5 at Ollie's a couple of years ago, I believe. So let's go through the sample that I made here. It says, warm wishes to you and yours, and I added a glittery bow, some snowflakes, and this is just a top-loading pocket on the front with a Season's Greetings journaling card. And you can see all the layers in the back there. So once I flip the page, I glued this little gingerbread house as a tuck spot on the pocket. And so there's a little Merry Everything and Happy Always journaling card in that side pocket. Just wanted to add even more layers. And then we'll flip that, and these are the last two pages. It's just a quick little flip book. I have wishing you peace and joy this holiday season and in the new year. And then there's also some writing space on this page, but it's also a side pocket. And I just made another journaling card to go in there. And look at that cute little snowman too in the corner. And that's everything for this quick and easy little flip book, one sheet wonder. So go ahead and grab some paper and we can create one together. So I am using two different papers here. They're 12 inches wide by 6 inches tall, but you can just get a 12 by 12 and cut it in half horizontally as well. So this is the first 12 by 6, and this is going to be the cover piece. And as always, I usually score with the blank side facing me, so that's how I'm holding my paper. And on the 12-inch side here, we're going to score at 5 and 8.5. So there's 5, and here is 8.5. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to be folding this, the first panel over here to the right. And then we're going to be folding it over again towards the right. So just make sure that you have enough wiggle room or space to do that. And that's going to be our little pocket page on the front. So I'm just adjusting my paper here. That's our pocket. And we're going to go ahead and just glue that down right now. So I'm going to flip this open and I'm going to glue the bottom and the side. My glue was giving me a hard time. My crafting space is in the basement, so it gets cold down there, and sometimes my glue gets cold too. So here I am just gluing again the bottom and the side, and we'll just bring that over to close that pocket page up. Okay, so this is all set, and we can just put this to the side. And we're just going to grab our other 12-inch wide by 6-inch tall paper. I'm flipping mine over again to the blank side, and at the 12-inch side we are going to score at 2 and 7. So here's 2 and 7. And now with this, we're just going to take that 2-inch score and fold it over to the left. That's going to be our side pocket on the inside. And then our next score line will fold the opposite way. And that should just fold everything in half. So we have our little side pocket there and then the next page in the back. So now I'm just going to glue my pocket shut just by gluing the top and the bottom of that little panel. So this is what it looks like now. And we're going to bring our cover back and basically just put the blank side to the other blank side like so. So we're going to just nestle that middle piece inside of our cover piece and we'll get those fun little layers. And now in the back here, you could do a top loading pocket if you want, but I did a side pocket. So what I'm going to do is just glue this back panel here. I'm going to glue 3 sides, the top and the bottom and the side. And again, just put the blank side to the blank side there. And then you can kind of just push that paper in and close up your whole booklet here, just to make sure it's nice and nestled in there. And I think I just cut my papers a little bit off, but that's okay. You can always cut off any excess. And that's pretty much it for the assembly of this flipbook. So now I'm going to just turn it to the back and cut off the excess there on the side. All right, and now we can go ahead and decorate. So I just have this little to and from label, also from the paper pad, and I'm just going to glue that onto the front as I'm going to be gifting this to someone this holiday season. And yes, I'm still working on Christmas stuff because I am just late to the game this year, I guess. But this was a quick project, so. Next, I'm going to just grab a tag here that says all is bright, and that's going to go in my top loading pocket there. And I might add a bow to the top of the tag just so it pokes out of the pocket there too. How cute would that be, right? So now I'm just gonna flip the page and I'm going to grab my insert for the side pocket first. So I have this little joy journaling card, or I may put a small photo in there. Not quite sure yet. But then I'm gonna grab this little cute, adorable tag with the truck there. And that's just gonna be a decoration for my pocket. And I'm seeing how it looks with everything closed up because, of course, we're gonna layer everything. So I'm just gonna pop some glue at the bottom and then place my truck there. And it will also serve as a little tuck spot if you want it to be. So I'm gonna let that dry and then I'll find something to tuck behind it. But moving on to the last few pages already. So on the left panel here, I am probably gonna put a bigger photo, like a 4x6, but for now I'm gonna washi tape this Let It Snow label or little ephemera piece here. And then on the other side, I'm gonna do some more writing space again. So these, of course, I just cut out with my decorative scissors, and I drew my own lines so I could write a nice little message. And I'm just gluing this to the other side. And then I'm gonna grab some little Christmas trees here to put in the corner again. And I'm just gonna glue a part of it because I do like this to hang off the page a little bit. So when you close up the whole album, it's also another layer that you can see from the front. All right, our last little side pocket here. I have gone ahead and created my insert, and I used another tag that says "Have yourself a merry little Christmas," and I added some snowflakes there at the top. And by the way, all the tags, like that one I just showed you, the little truck, I think I got those at Hobby Lobby a few years ago. And so that completes my flip book. How cute is everything all layered up, right? And then can't forget that tuck spot I made. So I just cut out this little tree shape to use as a journaling card or just even as decoration. And see, you can tuck it right behind your little tag. And I think it's so super cute with all the layers, all the different patterns. So that completes our one-page wonder. As always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Give me a hype if you want. Leave me a comment down below so I can say hi, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already for more crafty fun and inspiration. If you celebrate Christmas, I hope you have a wonderful holiday. Thank you guys so much for crafting with me all throughout this year or whenever you've joined me in my crafting journey. I just want to thank you so much for being here. So Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and happy crafting.